I'm heading to JFK Terminal 4 and I'm about to fly to Dubai on an Airbus A380. My destination is the city of Hyderabad in India, but this video is about my experience flying long haul on this aircraft with Emirates. I'll be documenting highlights from this flight and 3 other A380 journeys I've had with Emirates earlier. I've flown on this aircraft several times, with Emirates and Etihad as well. It's flown by airlines which usually operate on a hub and spoke model, like Emirates operating from Dubai, Etihad from Abu Dhabi, and Singapore Airlines from, Singapore. It's because for the airlines in a hub and spoke paradigm, the cost to operate per seat becomes lower. Now, no US based airline flies an A380. So if you're flying on a long haul route like US to South Asia or Southeast Asia, it's the perfect chance to experience flying the biggest commercial plane in the world. Many airlines stopped flying it during COVID, but it looks like it is making a comeback. The takeoff was super smooth. The Airbus A380 is a full-length double-decker aircraft, where the bottom deck is completely economy. It has 4 engines and there are 3 different jetways to board passengers. This machine is an engineering marvel. It's massive, beautiful. Even in economy, the cabin looks spacious, especially noticeable when you look at the ceiling. Emirates offers onboard Wi-Fi on practically every flight, with complimentary access for Emirates Skyward members. For other passengers, paid Wi-Fi plans are available. The extensive in-flight entertainment system has a wide variety of options to keep you engaged. And my favorite, the maps and live camera feeds from 3 exterior points on the aircraft: the tail, nose and the underbody. On all of the Emirates flights, you can get a complimentary Polaroid taken of you. These are typically for children, but the flight attendants are happy to take one for anyone who asks, like we did.
Ladies and gentlemen, you can browse through today's dining menu on Emirates app. Simply open the app in your phone, select today's trip and go to food and beverages.
From what I observed, Emirates takes in-flight dining seriously. You always get multi-course meals featuring your choice of main course, alongside fresh fruits or a salad, gourmet crackers and cheese, and a dessert. All this with complimentary selection of beverages. For those with specific dietary needs, Emirates offers a variety of options, from vegan and vegetarian to those meeting religious or medical needs. You can book a dietary meal up to 24 hours ahead of your flight. As we cruised over the Atlantic, the first light of dawn began to appear in the sky. I switched on the live feed from the external cameras. It was absolutely worth sacrificing some sleep. Witnessing the sunrise over the ocean was a truly breathtaking experience. Speaking of unique perspectives, the underbody camera offers a fascinating view when flying over land, especially when you don't have a window seat. It's like having a live map constantly refreshing beneath you, revealing the diverse landscapes of the countries you cross. However, the camera views don't discount the views from the airplane window. After 11 hours on board, I was pleasantly surprised by how comfortable I still felt. The flight itself was incredibly smooth, with minimal turbulence and quieter, which truly changes the long-haul experience. Even in turbulence, the sheer size of the aircraft seems to dampen the feeling of bumps, making for a much more relaxing experience. Stepping off the A380, we got to see the vastness of Dubai International Airport Terminal. It's the world's busiest airport for international passengers. After some shopping in the terminal, we had some time to spare before our connecting flight to India. So we opted to relax at the Marhaba Lounge in Concourse B. The lounge offered front row runway views with good food and excellent service, which proved to be the perfect way to unwind during our layover. Additionally, if you're planning for a Dubai stopover, look out for discounts offered by Emirates on flight bookings and other benefits. While my connecting flight to Hyderabad this time was a 777, on my previous trip to Mumbai in 2022, I got to fly on an A380. So if you're flying to Mumbai, you might get to fly the A380 twice. My experience with Emirates on the return flight was the same. So if you're considering a long haul trip, definitely look into flying on this aircraft. Let me know in the comments below, have you ever flown on an A380? What was your experience like? Subscribe for more such videos and see you in the next one.